Hello, friends and students. Myself, Dr. Yahya Khan, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. Today, we are going to discuss about nutritive value of fruits and vegetables. So, as you know, we are daily consuming number of fruits and vegetables. So, in that point of view, I thought that everybody wants to know how much amount of nutrition is been present in case of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. As you know, the fruits are being divided, or the nutritive values are being divided into the macronutrients and the micronutrients. And nutrients, substances obtained from food that provide nourishment. Macronutrients, having energy producing capacity in the form of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. And in case of micronutrients, they are the protective ones. The immune systems is been increased. As the energy is been produced, by default there is a protective vitamins and minerals. So these are nothing but these are the some characteristics of nutritive values or the nutrition. Major nutrients in food: water, carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and bioactive component or compounds. These are the very much helpful or major nutrients in the foods in the form for uh, fruits and vegetables also. These both the types of foods. Fruits are the foods and vegetables are the foods also. So carbohydrate in the form of glucose, starch, है ना, fructose, proteins in case of vegetables, pulses having more proteins, fats in case of the nut plants, vitamins, number of vitamins A, B are been there in case of apple, fruit, minerals in case of banana, you take the example of zinc, iron. So these are nothing but these are the important nutrients of foods. As you take the example of water. So water, it is a substrate of biological reaction as the matrix or vehicle in which these reactions takes place. Water regulates the temperature and pH in the human body, and water also maintains cell and tissue integrity. See, in case of all the biological reactions having a vehicle, a matrix, the water as a matrix for that, and also water regulates temperature and acidity level in the body, in the human body, and also maintains the cell integrity. In case of carbohydrate, so after water, carbohydrate are the main components of fruits and vegetables, and represents more than 90% of their dry matter, and mostly presented more than 90% of their dry matter. And these are classified into three groups: monosaccharide, oligosaccharide and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide are glucose, fructose, arabinose, xylose. Oligosaccharides, sucrose, maltose. Polysaccharide, starch, cellulose, hemicellulose. These are the examples of carbohydrate. In case of the carbohydrate require 130 gram per day, but in case of pregnancy it is 175 more will be. And in case of lactation, when the breastfeeding is been there, at that time the per day 200 gram of carbohydrate have to utilize. In case of proteins, They are the necessary building blocks and repairing of body tissues, and acts as transport nutrients, and acts as enzymes and hormones, and supply 4 kilocalorie per gram energy, and afterwards it help in the recovering from infectious diseases. And the total consumption of protein is per day 34 to 56 gram per day, depending upon the age and sex. During pregnancy and lactation, it may be higher up to, or it may be extend up to 71 gram per day. So as you know, means there are very nutritive point of view in case of protein. In case of fats, as you know, the fats, they supply energy 9 kilocalorie per gram, and they are essential for absorption of fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D and K, A, D, E and K. So these are the fat soluble vitamins. So the fats are also been required for the solubilization of vitamins. So they have important. In case of vitamins, fat soluble vitamins A, D and K, and water soluble vitamins, they are B complex and C.